Hi, do you want to know if your gold is real? I can show you a simple test you can do right in your kitchen. It's called the float water test, and all you need is a bowl of water and your gold items. Before you test your gold, you want to make sure that it is clean and dry. We will take our real gold and do a test on it now. Bring it over to your bowl of water that is waiting, and you're going to want to let it just gently drop off your fingertips. Now that sunk immediately, meaning it is real because gold is very dense. It is about 19 grams per cubic centimeter, and dense metal will sink fast. That strong instant sink is what you would expect from real gold. Now we will test our second or fake item. This one did not sink immediately and took time to settle to the bottom, which is a sign that it is not pure gold. If your gold is fake or hollow, it may float for a moment or sink very slowly. Now, there you have it. That is the float water test. Pretty simple and clear. This is only a quick first check, not a guarantee, because hollow or lightweight real gold pieces might behave differently. You can double check by trying other methods. I have videos showing gold tests with a magnet, toothpaste, lemon juice, and vinegar. You can find the links on screen here and in the description. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more DIY gold testing and cleaning methods.